Lake. We out here at 2K Cuts beside Compare Foods. I do nails in there. I'm a nail tech. We got you. We got the haircuts in the back, the grills in the back, we got the J's on the wall, the snacks in the back. We got you.
The tattoos.
Pull up, tats on game. Okay. Pull up, I got you. Nails, everything, hairstyles, waxing. We got you. You feel me? Pull up. Look, look.
Show
real quick.
Hey, bro. Got you.
All right, bet. Much love. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Right. Thank y'all so much.
They do it. 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 Crack God made it. Uh-huh. 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 Put the boy on the T9 with rockin' the buddy. Been job to ports, man, cause that was thuggin'. Pressing the issue, this shit can get ugly. Hit the boat with the young, got them hoes.
Y'all, you might as well go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment, and also subscribe. Well, you ain't gotta leave a comment right now, you know, at least wait till the video is over and leave a comment, but automatically go ahead and hit that like button. I'm about to head to a car event with a possibly car club that I could be joining. I've been kind of hanging around a few of the members for a little bit now, and I mean, they got good vibes. I really didn't want to join a car club, but I kind of think it's time. So I'm headed to the event in Spring Lake. I think some of the other chapters gonna be there too. So we're gonna see how this goes. It actually started at 3. Right now it is 4:40. I'm about a 30-minute drive away, but I work third shift, so you know my day don't get started until after 12. And it just is what it is. They'll see me when they see me. Trying not to do stuff, but hey, it be you when you pass by people's house and they do that, hey, you gotta do something. Back on when I get there. As soon as I get on the road, here come the little raindrops. Boy, that's sick. I would turn around and go back home, but right here it said, Apple ain't calling for no rain. Y'all can see that. Just that quick. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the rainbow done came out. You can't tell on camera, but this rainbow is literally right here. Like it almost came through my front windshield. This is amazing to me. I gotta put you at the intro again.
Gang, bro. What's up? Hey, follow that OnlyFans. I'm telling you, I want a Hellcat by the end of the year. It's not looking too good because I only got 1 subscriber, and I don't know who the fuck that is.
Hey,
1.
You only got 1?
Only 1. So
you didn't even tell me your YouTube, so I could put it in the.
I'm talking about my OnlyFans.
Oh, OnlyFans. Oh.
OnlyFans. All right.
Hey.
Again, Hellcat is on the way.
Hey, tell that OnlyFans they need to pay up then.
I'm going to see you looking. If you were on here for that one.
Hey, send me the link. I'll put it in the description below.
Oh yeah, y'all gonna see there's some shit of me in the car.
So we out here. Hey, how you doing? forgot it. I do YouTube.
Oh, guess what? Yes, I do.
What you got going on?
Hey, look here. My name is Chameleon King, aka Corvette King, Ronald King. I'm here in Spring Lake, North Carolina. We're at KUTS, first annual car show. And you see in front of you here is a 2014 Chevy Corvette Chameleon vet. It changes colors just like a chameleon lizard, just depending on the light. It changes from aqua blue to Carolina blue to seafoam green. 6.2, 505 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds with a top speed of 200 miles an hour. This is a one-of-one car. It's the only one like it in the world. You look at over $250,000 invested to make it a one-of-one that no one can replicate.
Hey, it looks nice, man. These are your trophies?
Just a few of them. I've done over 550 shows with this car.
How long you had it?
5 years. I promote positive change for our youth worldwide. That is staying in school, a good education, staying away from drugs, crime, and gangs, and keeping God first in their life.
That's right, man. Oh, you with Swift?
Yes, ma'am. What's up, baby?
Hey, you know Lemon? The
yes,
one?
ma'am.
Yeah, I linked up with him a few times.
Yes, ma'am.
I gotta let him know I seen you.
Bet that.
Yo, what's going on?
How you been?
All right.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on, man?
Oh, you recording?
Oh yeah. Yeah, like you be scared of the camera. How long you been out here?
Since like what, 2?
Since 2. Whew, I ain't get up till 2. Dang.
Yeah, here.
Hey, shout out Scat, slam.scat on IG.
I think I follow you too.
Oh, you dropped the
green, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
These about that, yeah. Them out of that. How you like your dad?
Oh, you got a haircut today. You got a haircut.
Oh, no. It's this old one, you know. Had to bring out the files, you know, when that for the fit, represent, you know. Gotta get the name off of it.
Okay.
Hey, just a little bit, something. You know, we out here for this 2K barbershop cushion opening. Let's say, you know, here for the community for the most part. Here for the cars, but yeah, like I said, community. So, and then we got my crew over here and whatnot. My main one right here, you know, he got a word to say too. Go ahead, man. Say a little something.
He got nothing to say? What's up?
What's going on with you? You dig? Go follow me on Instagram, _P. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What about you?
Honcho.
Oh, what's up? I'm a camera shot.
Camera shot? You gonna shot on Instagram and that?
Nah, I'm good.
Hey, what about you? Come on now. What? King of Kales?
Yeah, King, yeah.
I remember you.
That's a fact.
What was mine?
Don't do me like that, man.
Dang.
Anyway, man, King of Kales, man. We didn't talk about that.
See that I remember yours though.
That's a fact.
Let me see if you subscribe to my channel. And you featured in 2 of my videos.
2?
2 of them.
Oh, snap.
Yeah. Your hand's shaking a little bit.
I'm trying to make sure I get such a banana.
You know.
Huh? What?
Type in slime pack.
Oh, she
Type in. Type in slime pack.
Slime pack. Alright, shit.
Slime. Underscore. 392.
I bet y'all I subscribe though.
Oh, whoa. You got me blocked all the way.
Whoa.
It said user not found. You.
Hey, hold on. 7942. Hey, come. Hey, don't show the people that.
Let me see your phone.
Don't show the people that. Yeah, I got it right.
You didn't even spell slime pack right.
Oh, I put slim.
Wow. Wow.
The whole slim out here. I just thought about it after I put it too. Are you even subscribed? Subscribe, man.
Y'all, he ain't even subscribed to my channel.
Wow. That's crazy. It says subscribe right there. We subscribe.
That means you gotta subscribe. Wow.
I've been subscribed, y'all. Hey, I be watching her videos.
Wow. Turn that bell on. Turn the bell on.
On the bell. Oh, snap. Oh, what you doing? Oh, we here.
Ooh.
Don't worry about that. Hey, cut that out. Hey, cut that scene out.
What's up, man? Hey.
Hey, slime pack.
Go ahead.
What's going on,
Go ahead,
bro?
say something for the channel.
For the
You on YouTube? Go ahead, say
I'm
something.
on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, man, I'm super famous now.
Looking like a fool.
Yeah, looking like a fool. No, this is me.
You got nothing you want to shout out? Say nothing? You was talking a lot up there.
I'm gonna shout out to our local support chapter, Backyard Creations. They welcome anything and everything under the sun, including some things that don't drive.
Right?
So, yeah, no, shout out to street predators all over the nation. Coming up.
That's right, man.
Keep an eye out. Come to a city near you.
Got Instagram you want to shout out?
Yeah, Street Predators Faye. That's our IG, and Backyard Creations Faye. They're one of our sister chapters as well. Yeah, check us out.
Got you, man. Y'all want to shout out something?
Y'all already got it.
You already got it?
Covered it.
No personal Instagrams?
Nah, I'm not worried about that.
Hey, you hanging that orange mask up there, hey, that go hard low key.
What, the mango?
Yeah, that orange mask hanging up there go hard low key.
Oh, you know what? I'm gonna leave it there then.
Hey, leave it there. You want to say something for YouTube?
You know what I'm saying? Go follow Mango the Stallion. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
That's all you want to say?
That's all I got.
Alright. Got that car right there. Oh, God. What's up, man? Yeah, what about you? You want to shout out something? It's on YouTube. How long you been out here?
Probably since about like 30.
Look at your Instagram. Alright, man.
Been
by too. Huh? You said what now? Hey, go ahead. It's gonna go on my channel, my YouTube. What you got? What you got? Oh, you need some footage, slime? Ah, oh, no, I want ready. I stay ready. It's recording. I stay ready. Shit. I stay ready. Hey, with this camera, with this one, you know. Oh, shit. You can flip it up. Look at yourself like.
Hey, have my beer. Oh, yeah. Hey, have my beer. Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's recording.
You saw that bullshit, man? How you gonna have an ashy beer?
Get your face back. What you gonna say to the camera? Get your face back.
She ruined my mood.
Get your face back. You ain't gonna get your face back.
I don't She made me sad. Said my beer was ashy. No, I don't got no ashy beer.
Hey, come on. Let's do it. Spin the block getting busy, we play with no six, bitch, I'm tripping this week.